Today, I'm going to show you how to automate creation of sales orders from purchase orders in SAP by simply forwarding your customers' emails to the Extract AI app. Let me show you how. Once you are in the Extract.ai app, click on Create a Template. Scroll down to the Sales tab where you will find a variety of pre-made templates. I will use this one for purchase orders. Now we can start extracting. Use a unique email address for forwarding customer emails or POs to Extract AI app. Now ask your colleagues from IT department to simply integrate Extract AI with SAP. Click the link in the comment to access your free trial.